Hey everybody, how you doing out there? So I'm having my driveway pavers cleaned up and sealed up. Pavers are about 10 years old, I believe. The previous owner put them in about 10, 12 years ago, something like that. And there's some cracks on the edges. He's gonna repair those. But the most important thing is having it scrubbed down and resealed really nice. Bring a little bit of the color back. Let's get some more life out of my pavers. I love my paver driveways, so let's go out and take a look, see what before and after is like. All right, let's check it out. So here's what they look like right now. Not too bad, but you know, 10, 12 years. Is due to bring a little bit vibrance. I really love these pavers. They're really awesome. It's got a nice tight pattern, but you can see I got a couple cracks right here, so we're just gonna remortar them. They don't make this type of paver anymore, so these are gonna be repaired individually and some new mortar put in. I got a couple over here as well. But the first thing he's going to do is give it a good wash with some chemicals, whatever they're using. And then tomorrow they're going to seal it and make it look nice and pretty. And by the way, I pulled my shutters off, my old ones there. I'm picking those up today. That'll be another video I'm making. So getting some cool stuff done with the house, getting some pavers straightened out, getting new shutters. You can see the old ones I ripped off. So getting some work done. All right, let's hope it turns out good. Alrighty, he cleaned it yesterday, did a little bit today, repairing the mortar and stuff like that to fix the driveway. Let's take a look. Yeah, you can definitely see the difference in it.
Yeah, bring a little color back to it and throws right into the brick and waterproof stuff.
And this will bead?
Yeah.
Like, that's cool.
Like when you wax the car?
Here's the fixed pavers. Patched up. This looks really good. Yeah, that's gonna look nice.
Yeah.
Here we are, it's all sealed up and repaired. It's real nice. Just gotta let it dry for a day before I can drive on it. Walkway's all done. Looking good. I know my furniture's in disarray because obviously that stuff's got to dry before I put it back. My sailor's facing the wrong way. You can see the shutters are off too. Part of the order came in on the shutters, so I'll be installing those here shortly. I'm probably going to do that in another video, but I wanted to show you guys the finished job on the pavers. It looks good. And this is the gentleman that initially put these in about 12 years ago. And they don't make this exact paver anymore. So I was really happy that he came by, offered his services, and I thought he did a great job at a very, very fair price, an excellent price. He only charged me $600, gave him a bit of a tip, but man, I'm really happy. Looks nice. All right, there you have it. Little refresh on my pavers. So if you have a paver driveway, something to think about. if you want to get it resealed, repaired. I'll put Robert's information in the description below. He's the guy to call for sure. I was really happy with him. Nice guy, very professional, very affordable. He did a nice job. So, oh, by the way, I asked him to refinish my patio in the birdcage. So that video will be coming out soon, hopefully in the next week or two. So that's the next project after the shutters, which, by the way, I pulled the shutters off as I mentioned before. I got one of them came in. Here's the old shutters. Kind of a, I don't know what color that is. And the short one came in for the side, and I might put one of these small ones in the bird cage as well, because I got a window there and I thought maybe it'll look cool. So sorry the garage is such a mess. Pavers are good. Thanks for watching. I haven't put a video out in a while, so it's really nice to get one out for you guys, and hope you enjoyed it. Like, subscribe, share. Take care of each other out there, okay? Life's too short. Be nice. Love you guys. Bye.